today I'm actually surprising Alex with a sweet dish, and I didn't tell her what we were going to make. So, and I didn't actually know this, but we were just talking about the ingredients beforehand, and I was like, okay, so we're actually going to make this French toast with cardamom type of dish, and she said...
Cardamom is my favorite spice.
I had no idea. She was just like, are you kidding me? Cardamom is my favorite spice. And I was like, really? I just randomly chose that. So great, that worked out fantastic. So here we go. We definitely need the sugar and the cardamom on one plate. And then we need to put the orange zest in here.
So eggs and orange zest in here. And on a flat base we put the
sugar and the cardamom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Every time like I make something, usually I'll just kind of improvise, and it ends up coming out pretty good. That's a lot of sugar. Let's see.
Let's add the cardamom.
Yes.
How much cardamom do we need?
Let's check what it says.
It doesn't really say.
Okay. Well, since you're the cardamom expert, I'll let you decide. You can add as much as you want.
So cardamom is pretty strong.
Yeah.
So let's just add a little bit first.
Okay, we need to cut some bread.
Cut some bread.
Cut some bread.
Brioche.
Brioche. Or challah bread. Or...
So you can find a hand-braided challah brioche at Trader Joe's. It's very healthy.
Trader Joe's is going to get so much props from me.
So cut some thin slices of brioche. Brioche in French.
If you weren't able to tell, Alex is French.
Right?
Yeah.
So I heard that cardamom is from India, right?
Yeah. My mom uses it for a lot of stuff, and I always like when she cooks with it because it has a really pleasant smell.
Right. Yeah.
So, actually, I was preparing for this video last night, and I pulled it out of our spice cabinet, and my roommate like instantly was like, "What is that smell? It smells really good." All right, so we need to mix that in there and swirl that stuff around. We can probably add some more milk. I feel like that's really dry because of the tofu because I use sperm tofu. If we want to run it through the blender, we can do that. But otherwise, I think it should be a lot better.
Yep.
And now we get to make some French toast, cardamom style.
That's good.
Yes. This recipe calls for eggs, but I'm going to use a little something different. I'm going to use some tofu, and I was going to use coconut flour, but I can't find it. So I'm going to use my coconut pancake mix and get that blended properly, and it'll kind of give the dish a little bit of consistency and help everything hold together, sort of like an egg. So here we go. So this might actually be a little excessive, but
And here comes the pancake mix.
I only need like half a teaspoon. Or that's half a tablespoon. Yeah, that should work. And I believe actually this recipe specifically calls for milk and vanilla. So I'm just gonna throw it all in here so it blends a little bit easier since there'll be a liquid involved. And you can use non-dairy milk if you want for a vegan recipe, but I'm just going to use regular milk because I am vegetarian, not vegan. I believe it called for 2 tablespoons. I feel like that's a lot. You can put half a quarter of a tablespoon, really.
Vanilla is strong.
Yeah. And let's do this. All right, we've got bread, which is gonna go into our mixture, which is then gonna get soaked. And then I'm gonna use this spatula to fry it with my vegan butter on this, and then cover it in our cardamom sugar mixture, and then toss it in our plate over here. Okay, so I've got my butter sizzling here, or vegan butter I should say. Got the pan all nice and greased up. We're gonna throw our first piece, which is the smallest piece, in our mixture, let it soak up. And then we're gonna let this guy cook. Probably do 2 of these at the same time.
Yep.
So I'm gonna do this guy here. Let that soak a little bit.
And make sure the pan is very hot so that they won't become brown.
We'll turn it up. We'll turn up the heat up just a little bit. So why is this called French toast?
Well, it's a marketing tool for Americans when they use the word French in front of food or anything. It makes more fancy or I don't know, something like that. I think you can put the
This one?
in the pan, yeah.
Got really high heat going on here.
This is beautiful.
I can already see it starting to turn yellow, so it's a good sign. I've never had orange zest with cardamom before, so I'm kind of excited about that. I'm also a little scared because this is really high heat. Yep, starting to turn brown. I've got this guy, looks like, looks really good. Yeah, look at that. Alex is helping with the next slice. Alright. Do you want to be my sugar person? Can you do that too? Like, I don't know if that's... I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move your plate here, and then that way you have room for 2 plates.
It's hot.
What's up?
It's hot.
It's hot, yeah. Do you want something like this, or?
Yeah. I'm gonna break it. Do this.
Recommendation: don't use tofu. Just use milk. It'd be great for something like a vegan omelet, but not really necessary for French toast. All right. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make 2 awesome dishes. This is going to be split in 2 different videos. So we've got our cardamom French toast, we've got our vegan frittata, and I'm probably going to top this off with some maple syrup. Alex brought some strawberries, so we topped off the French toast with some strawberries. And now we're going to eat. So, bon appetit! That was perfect.
I was waiting for you.
Wait, did you guys actually plan that, or was